beat us home. We beat them home by 30 seconds. Tumakman! Tumakman! Tumak! Left line before basketing day. Very good now. Very speedy. That's what I like to see when I'm bluff flying. I like to see them put a little bit of effort into their wings instead of just floating around. I'd like to see a little bit of proposing out of the feathers, you know. Young birds. These little young birds just aren't flying. The older birds are doing good. All right, so tonight before race day, 150 miles. We're not gonna be here for the 150. Well, I'm not gonna be here for the 150 miles. I'm sending my birds to. I'm sending, I think, 13 or 14 of these birds, the older birds here, the one that I filmed last week, to Mr. Dwight to enter into the race for us. And yep, we'll see how they do. Okay, today is the morning of the basketing, and I'm just checking up on the birds' droppings and, you know, checking their poop out just to see how dirty or messy it is. And everything seems to check out pretty good, pretty dry. All right, that's what you want to. That's what I want to see. Okay. Well, of course, it's not going to be super perfect because they're pooping from all the way up here, so it's going to splatter a little bit. But yep, pretty good. All right, these are our birds. 15 birds. 15 birds. We're gonna send them to Mr. Dwight to bring to the clubhouse to mark for us, because I'm leaving for a funeral for the weekend, and therefore I will miss out on tomorrow's return race. But my kids will be home to try to record them as they come in and whatever else. But yep, here we go. 150 miles again. We hope they do much better today than they did last week. All we can do is cross our fingers. A little bit molting, a little bit here and there, but this should be all right. All the wing feathers, they all have 9 flights on each feather, so it should be good. Alrighty guys, good luck. Guys, sorry we didn't get the birds coming in. My dad is out of town at a funeral, and me and my sister, we had some other plans that we had to attend to. But so far we got 11 birds back out of 15, so not too bad. But here's the results. And actually, this one was, I think, 42 seconds behind the first bird. So we could totally be first place, but we won't know until we bring our clocks in. And here are the birds. Some of the birds that came back. Sorry guys that I'm not as good as a vlogger as my dad, but I'm helping him vlog today because he's out of town. But thanks for watching, subscribe, hit the like button, catch you guys in the next one.